Hey, it's your girl, Rosa Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to McLean South Shore, a scenic community in Belmont, North Carolina, where lakeside living meets modern luxury. Nestled along the shores of Lake Wylie, South Carolina, this community offers spacious home sites ranging from half an acre to a full acre, surrounded by tree preserves for that peaceful, private feel. And here's the catch. Only 5 home sites remain, so don't miss your chance to call this lakeside gem home. Our featured model today, the Nottingham, is a thoughtfully designed floor plan with up to 6 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, starting at $870,310. Enjoy a soaring 2-story family room, a gourmet kitchen with walk-in pantry, and a main levels only suite with 2 walk-in closets. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms with walk-ins, plus the option to add a bonus room. Beyond your home, though, the community offers a clubhouse, pool, and walkable access to Drift Restaurant and Morningstar Marina, bringing lake life right to your doorstep. Located just 11 miles from Charlotte Douglas International Airport and 30 minutes to Uptown Charlotte, McLean South Shore gives you the charm of small town Belmont with the convenience of big city living. Start your next chapter where luxury meets natural beauty at McLean South Shore. But hurry, again, only 5 home sites remaining. So, if you're interested in this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.